Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to log into AppSumo. In order to do so, first off you're going to want to go to appsumo.com, and once you're there you should be met with a screen like this. What you're looking for is up at the top right hand corner. You'll see the login option. We're going to go ahead and click on that. And then here you can see that you can either continue with Google, with Facebook, or you can log in with your email and password. I'm going to go ahead and continue with Google, and with just a click of the button here, it's just going to think about it. And there we are. We are now successfully signed in at appsumo.com, and that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.